Play is brain's favorite way of learning. Children need to have many different sensory experiences throughout the day for their brain to accurately take in the information, organize it, and finally use it to participate in functional activities. Sensory boards are a great tool to use because they can be custom fit to each individual child's need inexpensively and efficiently. So, 16 items in two sensory boards, all the basic items which we find in a house, but yes, each of them has different sense of touch. And bubble wrap stomp painting is a great way to engage all of the senses in play. It's a wonderful way to make painting with kids mess free. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.